Hello everyone, this is Gopal, your friend, and welcome in my YouTube channel. I brought some tips for getting good marks in your exam. So I would like to share all these things to you so that also you can also perform better in your exam. So let me tell you one thing. I don't have any magic wand and that I will give you and you will get good marks. It is not like that. I just want to share all these things with whatever I have done in my exam for getting good marks in my exam. So first thing which I have done was I made a timetable in which I wrote all these things, that in which subject how many hours should I do study. So in that way you will be calculative that how much hours should be how many hours should you do study for a particular subject. And the second thing which is so important, and I have seen in so many people, that they start studying 2 months prior to their exam, but it is not very impactful, because we should start studying from the first day of our session, so that it will not be more burden in our exam time. So what I used to do is, whenever I go to school, my whatever my teacher used to teach me, I came back to home and I read it once and twice, so that it will be remember in my mind. And the third thing which I want to share with you is, don't do study for 8 and 10 hour. That means I'm not saying that you should not do study. You should do study, but what I meant to say, that you should do study with very concentrate, with concentration. I have seen so many students that they keep on doing study 8 to 10 hours in a day, but the thing is that they are not getting good marks, because they are not very focused. They keep on thinking about other things. Their mind keep on thinking the other thing, and they are not getting good result in their exam. So instead of doing this, you should do study 2 to 3 hours, but it should be very focused. You try to do one thing in a one time. Like, let's say if you are playing in a playground, you should not think about study, and if you are doing study, then you should not think about anything else apart from study. So these kind of things I used to do. And the fourth thing I would like to suggest you, that whenever you go to exam, don't do study before going to exam hall, because once I went once I went before doing a study after exam hall, and I forgot those questions whichever I learned before that. So I would say that don't do study before that. And I have seen so many people, like, they tend to study at night. They don't sleep before the exam day. So don't do that, because when you don't sleep, you will be tired. When you will go to exam hall, you will be tired, and you will not be able to perform better. So take proper rest, and after when you go to exam hall, and next day with refresh mood, then you will be able to perform better. And the fourth thing is that you should try to attempt all this question first, whichever you can answer. And if you and rest of all should be attempt after that. And the one more thing, it is also important that try to be focused. You try to think about work. Don't think about result. That's what that is the key for my success, because I used to do I never used to think about result, because I personally believe that we should try to give our best in every situation. We should not think about result. And these kind of things I used to do, and I would be happy if you follow any of them, and if you get good marks in your exam. And thank you so much for listening me. And if you have liked my video, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon. And if you want to give any suggestion to me, you can give me directly on my comment box. And I would be happy if you suggest me any topic for making video.